Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss inner join or equijoin and natural join. Inner join or equijoin is a simple join in which the result is based on matched data as per the equality condition specified in the SQL query. Actually, it is a cross join with condition. We have already discussed cross join or Cartesian join in our previous video. You can watch it. I will provide you the link in the description. Suppose we have 5 rows in first table and 3 rows in second table. It will give us 15 rows if we will use Cartesian product. After getting the Cartesian product, it will check for equality in both the tables and the matched data as per the equality condition will be displayed. Here the first table is EMP and EMP code is the primary key, and second table is project. Here the EMP code in project is the foreign key. The primary key of first table may or may not be equal as the foreign key, but their data types should be same. If we will cross join these two tables, we will get 65 rows with data from each row of EMP will be combined with each single row of project table. But if we'll write select star from EMP inner join project where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code, it will give only the matching column from both the table. Natural join is a type of inner join which is based on a column having same name and same data type present in both the tables to be joined. Select star from EMP natural join project will give the same result as inner join, but it will not contain EMP code of project table. You can see the difference of equijoin and natural join in the output. Select star from EMP inner join project where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code will have all columns of EMP table and project table. But select star from EMP natural join project where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code will give all columns of EMP table and all columns of project table except EMP code. Now we'll see practically. Select star from EMP will give all the rows of EMP table. It is having 5 rows. Select star from project will give all rows of project and the total number of rows is 3. Their Cartesian product will be 5 into 3 and it will be 15 rows. For Cartesian product we have to write select star from EMP comma project, and as you can see E1 is combined with E1, E2, E3 of project table. E2 is combined with E1, E2, E3 of project table, and similarly E5 is combined with E1, E2 and E3. Select star from EMP comma project where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code will give only 3 rows, where EMP code of EMP table will be equal to EMP code of project table. You can see E1, E2, E3 is associated with project 1, 2, 3, and E4 and E5 are not associated with any project. We can write the alias name for tables. Aliases in MySQL is used to give a temporary name to a table or a column in a table. It works as a nickname for tables and column names. Select star from EMP as E, project as P, where E.emp code is equal to P.emp code. Here we are using alias name for tables. Alias name is very useful when the table or column name is not user friendly in real time. MySQL aliases can exist only for the duration of a query. It is temporary name. It is preferred in the case when more than one table is going to use in a query. Instead of star, we can use select first name, comma project name from EMP as E, project as P, where E.emp code is equal to P.emp code. Here also we are using alias name for table. We can also use alias name for column names. Select first name as name, comma project name as P name from EMP as E and project as P, where E.emp code is equal to P.emp code. Instead of first name and project name, name and P name will be there in the output. Here we are using alias name for table and also columns. We can also write select E.first name, comma P.project name from EMP as E, project as P, where E.emp code is equal to P.emp code. Alias name makes the column and table name more readable. It is very useful when we use a function in the query. It allows us to combine two or more columns. It is also useful when the column names are big or not readable. It provides a very useful and flexible feature that allows us to achieve complex tasks quickly. Hope you understood what is a alias name in MySQL. Select star from EMP natural join project will give all records where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code, but the emp code column of project table will not be there in the output. Select star from emp, comma project, where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. It is inner join and it will have emp code of both emp table and also project table. We will get the same result if we will write select star from emp natural join project, where emp.emp code is equal to project.emp code. In our next video, we will discuss outer left right join. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.